everybody, back into my channel, and today I want to share to you how to share multiple photo from Instagram through PC, not to Android device or iPhone device from your phone. So actually I'm already looking for a couple way to posting multiple photo through the PC through memupy.com. This is actually emulator device, and then also their inter web3social.com. This is webpage, and the last it.bigknock.com. This is actually the emulator as well. And okay, at the first memupy I will show you. Memupy, this one. This memupy actually I'm already try but doesn't work, but no problem, I will show you the error problem. Oh, I'm sorry, wait, we must running as the administrator first with memupy. Okay, still loading. Yeah, actually this memupy is emulator to play game or something else, like we play Android application through the PC. So this one actually I'm already try and login with Play Store and download Instagram as well, but the problem with this application, I cannot login. I cannot login. I don't know why, but I will show you. Ya, di sana login. Oke, my account. Yeah, always there error notification like this. Sorry, there was problem with your request. Yeah, I don't know. So I'm decide to not use this application. And for the second application, this is inter.web3social.com. Yeah, this is the application. Actually, this application is interesting, but the problem I'm already try as well. At the menu schedule posting doesn't work, but we can posting multiple photo directly, but depend with your packet, because this is not free. If you just use free account, you just can posting maximal 5 posting each day, but if you want to posting more, you need to pay. This is not free. Yeah, if you want to posting, you can choose carousel and then choose your photo. You can posting multiple photo through this application to your Instagram. but this is actually not running good for me because I cannot posting as much as I can, so I'm decided to leave and choose the last application. I'm just want to show you first this application that I'm before use, and I'm decided to use the application because I'm already search and research couple application and doesn't work. And the last application is this Nox id.bignox.com. Yeah, you can open the website first. Okay, I'm sorry, my internet slightly slow. It's no problem. Yeah, you can download and install to your PC. I will show you. This application works properly and good for me. This is same like Memo application. This emulator to running Android device through your PC. Okay, still loading. White. Yeah, this application. Actually, you need to login first. You need to sign in first at the Google account, and then for the next what? Then for the next you need to download the Instagram, and after that you can use this application. This application is running very well for me. I can posting as many as the multiple photo that I want. There is no limit, and yeah, work proper. Actually, I'm just to posting my stuff to sell at the Instagram. Yeah, if you want to posting multiple same like at the Android device, you just need to click this menu. Yeah, and you can choose this multiple like this, and then yeah, actually there are a little problem at here. This normal menu is cannot use. I don't know why, but we can change. We can outsmart with Ludwig. This is same quality with normal. And then next, yeah, you can tap the description or something else at here and then posting. You can also posting through share as well at your Facebook. You can check this button. Okay, yeah, actually I'm already finished. I'm just want to share about you how to share multiple Instagram photo through PC with emulator. And if you like to my channel, don't forget to like and share and subscribe as well, so my channel will thrive. Okay, see you for my next video. Hello everyone, if you are new at my channel, don't forget to like, comment, share, tag, and subscribe. Okay, thanks.